In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 2420 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now first things first, you need to proceed to the description box below. I'll be attaching a link there. All you need to do is you need to copy it. Once you've copied it, navigate at the button search bar here and please type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match should appear. Okay. And once it's here, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the option called Open to continue. So click on it. So in a few moments, you will be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. All you need to do is you need to navigate at the Windows search bar here, being placed at the top, and hit the Control V key to paste the link that you have copied and click on the Enter key so that you would be able to see the result. So eventually you would be directed to this kind of window which contains the mega folder. All you need to do is you need to wait until this process would be finished before we can continue to the downloading of the specific file of the printer driver. So once it's here, please navigate to the top option where you can see download. Click on it. And from here, select for download as a zip file. So in a few moments, it will now start on the downloading of the zip file. Please wait until this HP2420 series driver would be completed. Would be downloaded successfully here in our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So this process would depend on the current Wi-Fi or the network connection that you are currently connecting to as of the moment. So please wait until it would be done. Okay, so once completed, please navigate at the upper right side of the screen. You can see there a download icon. Please click on this zip file that we have just recently downloaded. Click on this folder icon so that you would be able to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So here, we need to make a right click on this zip file. Please make a right click and go with this cut icon and close the window as well as this one, and here at the desktop, please make a right click and go with the spaced icon. So the moment you have successfully moved it here to the desktop, you need to make a right click. Okay, and you can also go with extract all or choose this WinRAR tool to extract your file. So go with extract to, and in a few moments it will now start on the extraction. Please wait until it will be finished. Once done, a new file folder would be created, meaning we have successfully extracted it, and this is the time that we need to start on the installation. So how we can do so, at the start icon here, please make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So by here, please navigate at the left side of the screen, click on Bluetooth and devices. And from here, under the Bluetooth and devices, please choose for devices to bring up the devices settings. And under the devices settings, please scroll down on the list of the option and locate for more devices and printer settings. So in a few moments again, you would be able to bring up a new window, which is your devices and printers, which is this one. All you need to do is you need to navigate at the top of that. You can see there, add a printer, and this kind of window will show up. Click on the printer that I want is enlisted and add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. And from here, click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So it could be USB 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be setting USB 001 as my printer port. Click on next, go with, and since our extracted file is being located at the desktop, then we need to proceed with the desktop. Go with the extracted file, double tap to it, and from here, double tap once again. Okay. And if no items match on the search, don't worry. Okay. Just click on the open. Okay. So just close this first. Okay. Click on the browse and it will show you up here. Okay. So click on it, go with the open and click on OK. And this is the time that you need to select for HP Universal Printing PCL5. Click on next and you can rename that into HP LaserJet space 2420, then click on the next to start on the installation. So this might take some time, but please be patient on waiting. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue on installing this printer driver. So in a couple of minutes, it would be done. So we just have to wait until this would be completed successfully. Okay, so once done, please allow for printer sharing. Click on next and go with the set as default if you would like to. In my case, I'm leaving it unchecked and click on finish. And there you have it. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 2420 in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close all of the windows being opened and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.